I'm Bree.
Hey, I'm Todd.
And welcome to Bree's Bronco Garage,
where we are fixing up our 94 Bronco.
That's right. We have a 1994 Bronco that I bought a couple months back, and it was a gift to Breland for whenever she turned 16. So right now you are what?
11.
11 years old. I had a 1996 Bronco back in 2014, 15, and I wish I never would have got rid of it. But those things happen. Or fortunately, we were able to get a hold of this 94 and purchase it because somebody was bugging me for the past couple years that she wanted that to be her first vehicle. So the deal was, we get it, we fix it, and it's all yours, right?
Mm-hmm.
So you were 3 whenever we had the other Bronco, but you still remember it quite well. What's one of your fondest memories of that?
What does that mean?
What's your most favorite memory?
Oh, my favorite memory was whenever Mama was sleeping in the back, and we were coming home from Alabama, and we were going like this to all the 18-wheelers that passed by, and some of them honked their horns, and it woke Mama up and scared her.
And it scared her in the back because we had the top off, so it was really super loud. Well, my fondest memories of that time is picking you up from pre-K with the top off.
I remember that, and I was so excited. I ran to you.
Bolt out of the school like a bullet and come hop into the back of the truck, and you just ate it up. And we've got some pictures of then and now in comparison of where we are with the 96 Bronco and the current 94 Bronco. So we're excited. We started this channel not only to document our time together and our progress on the Bronco, but we're going to do some how-tos. We're going to show other people out there how to do some of the things on this Bronco. Not a professional mechanic. Are you a professional mechanic?
I'm 11. I don't even have a job.
Good point. So please be kind. If you see there's something we can do better, hey, we're all about the comments and the advice. So we're gonna learn some things together. We do have some knowledge, and we're just gonna have fun. So enjoy the channel. I hope you enjoy the story. And that's it. You got anything you want to say?
No.
No, that's it.
Yeah.
All right. Peace out. Enjoy. Subscribe. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Follow us for our many adventures on the Bronco.
The way that you said, please subscribe and click that notification bell. Yeah, that's what people say now.
That's what people say now. Please subscribe and hit the notification bell. That's right?
Yeah.
All right. Do what
Bye.
she said. Bye.